walk in, I just wanted to get a picture or image of this house. Hello. All right, you? Good. All right. We did exactly right. And not get too dressed up. Appreciate it so much. This is so pretty.
Daddy.
Where'd Daddy go? Where's Daddy?
He's outside.
He's outside?
Yeah, I'll check out the window.
You gonna check on him out the window? Oh, I see. Daddy is going with his daddy. You see? Daddy and Yaya's going for a ride.
I can't see.
Yeah, they went to get some juice.
They are going to get some juice?
Mm-hmm. He just got a new jacket and he don't know how to act.
Now what you gotta do? Now let's hear it. I think you found it 40 minutes later. No, that was like 2 days later.
Oh, wow.
We finally cleaned it up. So now she got the screw back on there. But she don't want to read.
Yeah, she's trying to. You gonna read? What's that? Where's the nurse? Where's the nurse? What's that? What's that?
Braid.
Yay! Yes! Okay, we're gonna turn the page. Okay. Where's the paramedic? Here she is! Good job! Okay, turn the page. Where's the doctor? Here she is. Wow. Turn. What's that?
Braid.
Bird, yes. And where are you? There you go. And Danny too. Yay! Good job.
Oh, baby.
What was that?
OOTD.
Oh, really? Good job. Good job. Thank you. Okay. What's that? Front cover, right? Back cover. We're gonna open it? Okay. Oh, what do you see? Toucan. Yes, that is toucan. What's this? Jaguar. Yes. What's this? That's a monkey. What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good, Amira. Very